Hi, everyone. Welcome back to our unbagging boxing of the Unity Stamp Kit of the month. This is for August, so you're seeing in September. Although, I guess this came fairly early. I don't know what my cycle day is, but yeah. So, we're going to look at this. It says, Thanks in all the things. We have a creepy little owl for Halloween, probably. I mean, owls are just not. Yeah, I think it's a creepy owl for Halloween. Miss you dearly. Boo to you. Happy Halloween. We got the moon and some bats either flying to it or from it. This little deer says fall is in the air. Give thanks. This flower wheat situation. I'm fond of you. That's cute little play on words. Thanksgiving blessings. Now I think we've gotten her before. Not quite sure this pattern. I'm always nervous about these patterns because I never have a good. Anyway, uh, in all things give thanks. I love that and thankful for you. That is cool. So let's look at the inspiration and the quote unquote free gift, and then we'll take a look at the actual stuff that we got. Now this says, oh, we got another one of these little sheets. Spooky apple trick or treat bonfire. So this is good. You could always. I'm sure they have this somewhere online. Not Unity, but if whatever you're looking for, like if you want candy corn, things like that, hay rides, spice, candy, dark, family, all those things, you could probably just look them up and create this yourself. I think I've said that before, but it's cool to have it because then you can do another one if you really want to. You can do it and make stickers, right? So this says fond of you. I love this background. It says I'm fond of you, and it's created by Jaleesa Sargo, and they have a walk in the woods stamp set. Now I don't know, but that stamp is really nice. So it looks like they just interesting. So you get this picture, they stamped it out, then they stamped over it. And I'm not sure if I'm not going to read it, but it looks like they may have just colored over the lines. Interesting. And then spooky and wonky layers. This is cute. This is a good case card. I don't think we have Happy Halloween in this one though. Oh, we do. Yep, Happy Halloween. I missed that one. And then the free gift. If you buy something, is the gift really free? I don't think it is. But that's just me. Tags. So this is on really pretty paper. This is interesting. It's just these. You got a bag, right? You got a bag, three tags, and then these paper pieces, leaves, and more leaves. Very cute. They usually give you like a string or a button or something, but I guess they said, hey, we gave you some labels too. So we got labels and three cards and three 6x6 sheets of paper. So now let's just look at the stamps because that's what we're really here for, right? Pretty big. Oh my goodness. I wasn't expecting for the flower to be this big. It's huge. It's very, very big. Very, very big. It's my hand, my palm. My palm is not huge, but it's not small. Very nice. Um, the owner, Angie, has sent, I think her name is Angie, the owner of Unity, has sent out an email stating that they had changed stamp companies and got a new stamp company. So they got a new stamp company, rubber stamp company. They also are now doing clear stamps. But anyway, so I'm glad that they found someone. It looks like this is not, I don't want to say as thick, but it doesn't look as thick as previous. I could be wrong. I have some Unity stamps just laying around on my desk. So let's see. I don't think that's from the company. Let's see if this one is. Okay, let's see. No, about the same. About the same. All right, so this owl. I really want to do something with this owl. I have an idea, so we'll see tomorrow, right? Hopefully, if I've got my act together, which I don't, just so you know. But I'm getting here, and this girl. Now, I don't normally gravitate to the girl images in the stamp set. I tend to go want to buy the individual ones, but this is cute, and this little fawn, it's cute. So listen, though, we only have, for real, we have one, two, three, four, five, 6 images. We only have 6 images in this thing. One, two, three, four, five, 6. This is huge, a big stamp set, a big bouquet. The deer is not even that small, and the girl is pretty nice size. So these are some really good images to use. Am I overall like, wow, this is the my most favorite one? Well, I've been buying Unity stamp kits for a while, and I have definitely went back to their archives and gotten some that are way different than these. So take them with a grain of salt. But we'll be working on this tomorrow, hopefully. Anyway, I hope that you've enjoyed the unbagging boxing of this. And I'll say thank you for watching. Until next time, happy crafting.